So today I'm going to teach you how to install the driver for the single docking station. So you have to find out what is the operating system for your computer. So you go to File Explorer, this PC, you right click, go to Properties, and then from here you will know operating system for your computer. So for our computer is Windows 10 Pro, and then it's 64-bit. So for yours it may be different, it may be 32-bit or 64-bit. So now we have the operating system that is running on a computer. So we have to find the correct driver to download. So for Windows 7 and above, since ours is Windows 10, and then after that you have to download the one that is 64-bit because ours is 64-bit. So it may be 32 for yours. So you download the appropriate driver. So after running the setup file, just click on OK, and then select Next, and then select the path that you want to save it to, and then press on Install, and then select Next, and Finish. After which you will see that the desktop icon is appearing is AMBA USB. So this is the driver. So next you open up the folder and then you create a shortcut for ZFY application. This is the software to view the BWC. So you create a shortcut and you put the shortcut onto the desktop. So after downloading the software and the driver, you insert the USB into the computer. And then plug in the BWC into the docking station. So what you will see is that the BWC will have a blue screen. We will say enter password. And then you run the software, the ZFY software, and then you double click on ZFY software, and then click on connect device, key in the password, and then click on sign in. So this will pop up, and then you can calibrate the time by pressing on the calibration time. And then actually you can set the ID for the BWC. So the body worn camera have a camera ID and a user ID. So you can set for both lah. So for example, for our case, we are going to set BWC009, and then to set, you just click on setting, and then you will be set successful. And then to delete the file and view the file, you click on enter the UDIS. Then File Explorer will pop up. So it's like a USB, like thumb drive kind, whereby it will appear on the File Explorer called D drive, USB drive D. And then you can click on it, and then everything will be there on the folders and the notepad. So there's battery ID log, whereby it will save like the ID of the camera, the battery percentage of the camera, it will be saved over here. So double click on the log file, and then you can see the audit trail of what is happening on the ground. That you can, for example, you can see the power on and power off, and then you can see when it starts recording and the time it starts recording. So it's a very good tool, as there's an audit trail to fall back on to know what the wearer does it for. And then you can go to the file to view all the files and delete the files over here. We are going to open one of the video to show you. The video will pop up, and then you can view the video over here.